The 2026 MINI Countryman combines innovative design with everyday practicality, making it your ideal urban explorer. Featuring electric folding door mirrors for added convenience in tight spaces and active pedestrian safety to help protect those around you, this Mini is designed with both style and safety in mind. Step inside to experience the Harman Kardon surround sound audio for immersive listening and a Napa leather steering wheel for premium comfort. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Countryman. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.